From ledgers to LLMs. From spreadsheets to smart copilots. AI isn't just touching the finance industry, it's transforming it. But what does this change look like for real people, in real roles? Let's rewind and break it all down. Welcome to SkillSync AI, where we track how artificial intelligence is reshaping jobs across industries. This week, we focused on finance and accounting, a world built on accuracy, insight, and risk management. Over 6 episodes, we explored how AI is showing up across the core roles that keep financial operations running. Today, we'll recap what's changing, highlight emerging tools, and look at what the future holds for finance professionals. The big picture finance has always been data-driven, which makes it the perfect match for AI. In 2025, the most common transformations include automating repetitive tasks, detecting anomalies in real time, creating smarter forecasts, reducing human error, unlocking new insights from existing systems. The shift isn't about removing people, it's about elevating them. Role by role recap. Let's revisit what we covered this week. Day 1. Accountants. AI is automating expense reconciliation, categorization, and basic reporting. Accountants are shifting from data entry to advisory roles. Tools like Zero AI, QuickBooks, and MindBridge are becoming everyday assistants. Focus now. Oversight, interpretation, and strategic planning. Day 2. Financial analysts. Analysts are using AI for real-time forecasting and scenario modeling. Natural language insights reduce dashboard fatigue. AI flags performance issues and assists in cross-functional decision-making. Tools. Power BI with Copilot, Anaplan, Data Robot. Analysts are now strategic storytellers, not just spreadsheet jockeys. Day 3. Payroll and compliance. AI automates tax logic, policy flagging, reporting, and audit preparation. Risk of late filings and paycheck errors is shrinking fast. Teams are focusing on validation, coordination, and compliance. Governance tools. ADP Data Cloud, Gusto AI, Deal, Pento. Payroll is now a proactive, tech-enabled function. Day 4. Auditing. Continuous auditing is now possible with AI monitoring 100% of transactions. Journal entry testing, control checks, and reporting as semi-automated. Auditors now interpret alerts, oversee models, and explain findings. Tools. MindBridge, Teammate Plus, Validus, Audit Board. Auditing has shifted from after the fact to always on. Day 5. Fraud detection and prevention. AI monitors behavioral signals, not just transaction size. Risk scoring happens in real time, based on multi-factor inputs. Machine learning models adapt to new threats faster than rule-based systems. Tools. FeedSci, Dark Trace, Unit 21, SAS fraud framework. Human oversight remains critical, but the signal-to-noise ratio is improving. Cross-cutting tools. Here's a recap of the platforms driving change across finance, category, automation, and workflow. Key tools and platforms: UiPath, Alteryx, Microsoft Copilot. Analytics and forecasting: Power BI, Tableau, Anaplan, Planful. Audit and risk: MindBridge, Audit Board, Validus. Fraud detection: FeedSci, Dark Trace, SAS, Unit 21. Payroll and compliance: ADP, Gusto AI, Deal, Papaya Global. General AI assistants: ChatGPT, Claude, Llama 3, for enterprise copilots. Many companies are combining multiple tools, creating AI-powered financial ecosystems. What's not being replaced? Even in a high-tech finance world, humans remain essential. AI can't replace ethical decision-making, understanding business context, cross-functional communication, client and stakeholder relationships, navigating gray areas in policy or regulation. AI helps answer what and how, but humans still answer why and should we. What's coming next for finance teams? Here's what to expect in the next 12 to 24 months. AI copilots embedded into ERP systems, real-time cross-border tax compliance, multimodal analytics, combining text, numbers, and visuals, autonomous audit and reporting agents, private, open source models running on finance teams' own servers. More pressure to prove explainability in AI-generated decisions. Finance leaders will need to blend data strategy, AI fluency, and team training to stay ahead. Finance isn't just about numbers anymore, it's about intelligence. And in 2025, AI is the silent partner helping finance teams move faster, work smarter, and reduce risk. If you're in accounting, analysis, payroll, auditing, or fraud prevention, this is your moment to evolve. Subscribe to SkillSync AI to keep exploring how each role is changing and how you can stay ahead of the curve. Drop a comment. What finance role do you think will transform the most in the next 5 years? And next week, we're heading into a completely different world, the tech industry. From developers to IT support, we'll explore how AI is reshaping every job in tech.